Finally, there is light at the end of the tunnel. I have been given a date for my new hair system to be installed. Hang on a minute, installed? Is that the right term? It kind of makes it sound like something electronic's going to be plugged into my head. As far as I know, it's just a bit of hair and glue. Well, I hope it is. I don't want to turn up and a crazy scientist in a white coat holding a circular saw says, "Hello there, Danny. I hope you're ready for your new hair." To be honest, even if they did come at my head with a circular saw, I'm sure the results would look better than this. I can't take it anymore. It's alright for you lot having a laugh at home at my expense, but I've got to walk down the street like this. The other day, I was sitting on a bench minding my own business and a geezer came over to me and gave me the rest of his spare change. 5 minutes later, a family of magpies attempted to nest on my head. My girlfriend, she won't make love to me anymore because she says that I look like Wurzel Gummidge. I didn't realise how having the same barnet as a walking talking scarecrow character from a British children's fiction book would affect my life. I'm utterly miserable. But it's not for much longer because I have been given a date, June the 2nd. I cannot wait and I hope you guys are as excited to see the results as I am.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.